Good morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. I would like to tell you or inform you. Perhaps you might be knowing what I am going to tell. That is, wise words from the most spiritual teacher, His Excellency Dalai Lama. So I can say Dalai Lama's wise words are paradox of our age. So what Dalai Lama teaches us, we have bigger houses but smaller families. Yesteryears were different, smaller houses, bigger families. But today we have bigger houses but smaller families. Okay. More conveniences. We have more conveniences but less time. In yesteryears, conveniences were less, but they were having enough time. But today, we don't find enough time. But we have more conveniences. Today, we have more degrees but less sense. People are not judging what is good, what is bad, what is moral and what is immoral. So we have have more degrees but less sense. Yesteryears were different. So today we have more knowledge but less judgments. We are not able to judge what is good, what is bad. So, but we have more knowledge, but we are not able to come to a conclusion that should be accepted by each and every one. So, yesteryears were different. More experts today, we have more experts, but more problems also. More experts, more problems. Problems are directly proportional to the experts. More experts, more problems. Number of problems have been increased, but there were few problems, few experts in yesteryears. We have been all the way to the moon and back. So Neil Armstrong, way back in 1969 or so. But what happens? But have the troubles. Today we have the troubles crossing the street to meet the new neighbor. Today we don't know who is living to our next door. There was no community harmony. There was no human relationship between people in a locality. Even in a locality, what I mean to say, you are not able to know who is staying behind you, in front of you in your locality. No human relationships, no social contacts with your neighbors. So yesteryears were not like that. In the village, everybody was knowing each and everyone. They used to help each other. They used to share. But today is not the situation like that. So, and today we built more computers to hold more information, to produce more copies than ever. Today you can get whatever information you want by pushing Google button, but less communication. But even though you have a lot of information, but you don't know how to communicate to others, how efficiently you can communicate. But yesteryears communication was so good. We have become long on quantity. We have produced more and more, but short on quality. But we have been producing more and more without quality today. These are the times of fast food. So we don't find enough time to cook the food at home. We go to outside and we eat fast food and we come back. Or we can order for fast food. And that is less digesting. So these are the times of fast food, but slow digestion. Tall man, but short character. That is lacking today, character. So then we are steep profits, but shallow relationship. We are getting profit at the cost of the human relationship. So whatever it may be, but I don't bother. If I get profit, even I don't consider who is the person. It may be my brother, sister, or whoever it may be. I want profit, that's all. So at the cost of the relations, by swallowing relations, we are stripping up our profits. What is the use? It is a time when there is much in the window but nothing in the room. Outside there is a lot, inside there is nothing, empty one. These are the wise words taught to us by His Holiness, His Excellency, Dalai Lama, Bauddha Guru. Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.